Witness contact with the key holder.
Stop the fucking car! Get out!
Yes, sir. Oh, no.
Get on the ground now!
Yes, sir.
Highway 67. Standard discount building.
Doing? Who cares? Can you just pull over?
County line. I've got county around.
Nothing on you? Nothing in your boots? Have a seat. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
What?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth what?
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to catch 30. Are you going to need a 1015?
I just left my...
Start up. 10, 11, 11.
Car you were just behind,
Yep.
they came around that curve and almost hit me head on. And that's when I turned around. Where are the people?
She's going to jail.
Oh,
She just ran.
okay, well, that's when I honked really loud.
Yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
Well, now you're literally going to jail. What's your name? And don't lie to me. What is it? HYATT. What's your birthday?